Hello everyone, my name is Priyadarshani. Welcome to my channel. Friends, this video is very much special to me because this is my first solo long video which I'm going to post on YouTube. And along with this, I'm going to decide my niche for the YouTube. So whatever or whichever content I will post on this channel will be related to the English. So friends, this is not the thing that I don't know the English. As I post-graduated, I know English very well. But if there is a thing of speaking fluently in English, that time I think I'm lagging behind somewhere. It may be because of lack of exposure, lack of environment, or lack of practice, whatever. So I thought, why should I have not to practice myself? Practice myself and record videos and upload these videos on YouTube so that other learners can get benefit from it. There are so many other learners who are in beginner stage, intermediate stage, so these videos can be helpful for them also. So this is the motive behind it to create these videos. So let's talk about something important. Why we should have to learn English, why we should have to become a fluent in English or make command on this particular language. Right from the housewives to the working professional, each and everyone wants to become a fluent in English. So if I discuss why we must have to learn English or we must have to make a command on this particular language, then 2 to 3 things are coming in my mind. First of all, English is not just a language now, it has become a global communication tool. Because if we want to connect people from other countries, either for education, job, or travel, we must have to communicate with them in English. So, in that case, English plays very important or crucial role. This is the first thing. And second thing is that in today's digital world, whichever information available on internet, most of the information is in English language. So if we understand this information, first of all, we must have to understand the English language, right? So that we can learn new skills, new things, explore new opportunities, and can grow faster in our careers and reach pinnacle in our professional life. This is the second thing. And third thing is that, according to me, if we express our thoughts clearly and confidently in this particular language, then it helps to improve or grow our personality. So these are the benefits to learn English or to become a fluent in English speaking. So why should we have not to learn it? So let's learn it and grow together. So friends, this is pretty much about this video. If you find this video helpful, if you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to become a part of my journey, if you want to walk along with me through this journey of English fluency or to become a fluent in English, then you can also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.